Have you ever tried a milk cake that's so soft it melts in your mouth and makes your kitchen smell like heaven? Stick around, because today we're making it together step by step. Crack 4 eggs into a big mixing bowl. We're building the base of that dreamy, fluffy texture. Now add half a teaspoon of vanilla, a pinch of salt, and 200 grams of sugar. Grab your mixer and beat it up. You'll see it turn lighter and creamier. That's when you know it's going right. And hey, scrape down the sides of the bowl once or twice so everything mixes evenly. We don't want that eggy smell later, Jimmy. Now, pour in 70 grams of oil and keep mixing for about 15 seconds. Just enough to get that smooth shine on your batter. Next up, the dry stuff. Mix 1½ cups of flour with 1½ teaspoons of baking powder. Then sift it in, not all at once. Do it in 3 parts. Fold gently like you're tucking it in for a nap. This keeps all that lovely air inside the batter. Now here comes the magic touch. In a small bowl, heat up half a cup of milk and drop in 1 tablespoon of butter. Let that melt. Oh, that smell already feels cozy, right? Pour the warm milk mixture into your batter in 2 stages and stir until everything looks silky smooth. This step gives your cake that perfect softness and shine. Grease your pan with butter, dust it lightly with flour, and pour in the batter. Look how glossy that is. Smooth out the top and get ready for the best part, baking time. Pop it into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. And while it's baking, your kitchen is gonna smell amazing. And tell me in the comments, are you team milk cake or chocolate cake? I can't wait to see which one wins. When it's golden and puffed up, take it out and let it cool completely. Be patient, I know it's hard. Then, carefully remove it from the pan and slice it up. Just look at that. So fluffy, so soft, so perfect. Go on, take a bite. It's buttery, milky, and absolutely heavenly. If you loved this recipe, hit that like button and subscribe for more easy, delicious bakes every week. Enjoy your cake and see you in the next video.